What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of wiper fishing. Got my trusty bucket, all my fishing gear, and I'm wearing some snow overalls today because the mosquitoes up there are kind of terrible and I do not want to get bitten. Like, it comes to a point where I'm just like want to sit in the car because the mosquitoes are so bad. But this is why I'm wearing this. Shout out to my cousin Ryan. He bought me some and I finally got a chance to use them. But right now, I'm gonna be pulling out these poles here and I'll show you my setup that I run. Usually when we fish for these, we like to use some mussels. And how I have it set up, the mussels tend to fall off whenever you throw it. So we have a normal catfish rig with a weight of your choice, a swivel, then we have your leader that goes all the way down to another swivel. The reason why I do this is you're going to be using a mussel and it's going to be a treble hook. So what you're going to do is push the treble hook through the mussel and then you're going to clamp it to the swivel here. That way it's more secured. I've tried a bunch of different methods like rubber bands, single hooks, tying it on, but honestly none of those keep it as secured as this fishing setup here. That's my main trick for keeping a mussel on if you're fishing for wipers here in Utah. Thank me later, because I know that is the key of keeping those mussels on. So my boy told me he's gonna pick me up, then we're gonna head to Grant's house. He's gonna take us all the way to the lake, and then we should be set up pretty soon there.
This is how windy it was. Yeah, dude, that's what I was telling Tony. Like, we were screaming at each other. Yeah, I couldn't hear shit in the end.
First fish, baby.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna put it over here.
Okay. Not a bad one. It's about to be that night, boy.
catfish.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh my god.
Coming up?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. One more wave. Oh, it's a catfish.
Fucking catfish.
That's a big catfish.
Damn it! I got the Sony curse.
Oh, big old cat though.
Damn. Think Sony wants it?
Maybe. I guess, bro.
Hell yeah. At least I got snatched up.
Just got home. Got this fish all wrapped up. I'll throw it in the freezer. Just thought I'd show you guys how big this freaking thing is. It's close to 21 inches. And 7-inch girth. Like, this thing's a beast. And we got the two little ones here. But got her taken care of. Now we're gonna throw it in the deep freezer. But thank you, thank you, thank you. It's a new day, just getting wrapped up on this video. Sorry the audio was kind of terrible. It was windy and dark and I wasn't really prepared to film this one. But yeah, that was an amazing trip. I think like 5 years ago, we went and did the same thing. And Somi, the one I was with, he actually dove in for a pole also 5 years ago. And he caught a freaking tank. But yeah, I was expecting that to happen today because we're kind of far away from the poles. I had to do some sprinting or else my pole, if I was maybe like a second or two later, my pole would have been in the water and that thing would have been gone. So, but yeah, appreciate you guys watching. If you liked the video, it'd help if you liked it and subscribe. But I will catch you on the next fishing adventure though. Peace.